Hey everybody, I'm out here in the coop with the gang. Ooh, be careful down there. Got a nice storm coming in, if y'all can hear it. We're up under the tarp section of the coop, just chilling, watching this rainstorm come in. I adore the rain. I feel like it never rains in Central Texas ever. So it's a nice treat when we actually got something coming in. So everybody's in here just messing around. You guys, what y'all think? So y'all staying nice and dry. Don't have to worry about getting wet. Raindrops are kind of therapeutic. I always say it's nice sleeping weather. That wind kicking. It's actually a little bit darker than what it looks like. I'll take any time we get rain. What are you doing down there by my shoe? What you doing? Y'all gonna get wet. Look up here. Look up here. Look up here. Look up here. No? You rather stay down there and mess around? Oh. It's feeding time. We got them a new little hanging feeder. Got tired of them kicking the other stuff and getting all over the place. This has been so much better. Not wasting food. Hey, what you doing over there? You watching the rain? Ooh, it's coming down good now. You can kind of pick it up on camera here. We have parrots. They're probably like watching me right now through the window. I'm like, what is she doing out there? Woo! Now it's coming down. Nice. What y'all think, guys? Pretty crazy, huh? Ooh, hear it whipping out there. It's been like this the past couple of days. About midday, it starts building, even though they said we have 0% chance of rain. All of a sudden we got this nice storm that comes through. Back to chick action. What y'all think? Can we get the water while it's dripping? Can you get it? Whoop. Woo. Yeah, it fills up our little rainwater collector over there, that's for sure. What y'all doing back there? Hiding? Y'all hiding? Junior playing with the water? Pot, get some of that water. Splashing on your Hawk. There he is, playing with that water. Woo! Rodin over here playing with the water. Yeah. Alright everybody, if you're getting a storm like me, stay dry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content. Talk to everybody later. Bye.